Hello and welcome back to Mommy and Decorate. If you are new here and enjoy videos like this, please subscribe, and also don't forget to turn your notification bell on so you don't miss out on any new uploads. I upload videos twice a week. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how I organize my pantry. Today was grocery day, so I wanted to clean my pantry before going to get the groceries. And as you can tell, it is super messy. Boxes are everywhere and it's just a mess. So when I clean the pantry, I like to pull everything out and sweep the bottom area, and I usually wipe down the racks, and then I clean the bottom baseboards because it can get really dusty and nasty down there in that area. If you are enjoying this video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. So here I'm trying to get rid of the boxes, and I think when you eliminate every box in the pantry, it makes it look so much better. If you get a container for your lasagna noodles or your spaghetti noodles and the flour or the sugar, it'll make your pantry look so much better. Another thing, I picked the wrong time to shoot this video because Lauren is clearly screaming in the background and my other children are acting crazy as well. When I go grocery shopping, I do like buying new snacks for the kids, but lately their favorites have been Pop-Tarts, fruit snacks, and popcorn. Deep down, I knew, no matter what in the end, it'd be me and you. I've been buying cereal every week and the kids are just not eating it, and they're not drinking the milk either. So I'm just not going to buy cereal for the next month or two because it's just been a waste of money. The red bins were purchased from Dollar Tree. The black and the gray bin were purchased from Marshall's, and so was the gray wire basket. The bottom cereal bins were purchased from Sam's, and the white metal bins at the very top were purchased from Target. And the spaghetti container, the lasagna containers, all of those clear containers at the top were purchased from Marshall's. If you are still here watching, I just would like to thank you for supporting me in my journey, and I hope you subscribe, like, comment, and share, and see you guys next time.